Crunchyroll, Funimation, HIDIVE, Hulu stream Sword Art Alicization War of Underworld anime second part on April 25. Anime's last season premieres in Japan on April 25. Aniplex of America announced on Thursday that the second course of Sword Art War of the Underworld, the anime second half, would stream on Crunchyroll, HIDIVE, Funimation, and Hulu on April 25. Crunchyroll will begin streaming the anime on April 25 at 12:30 p.m. in North America, Central America, South America, Australia, New Zealand, the UK, and Ireland. HIDIVE will stream the anime at the same date and time in the US and Canada.